Hey everybody, how you doing? Well, we're at Concord Speedway in North Carolina in the Whelen Tour modified car. I have run Concord in the SK modified, but never here in the Whelen Tour modified, which has a bigger engine and a little bit more weight up front and a different way of handling and a lot more power. In practice here, on turns 2, 3, and 4, this is what they call a 5-turn track. You can pretty much stay wide open through 1, 2, and 3. I've got to really feather the throttle with this horsepower that this engine produces.
Go have some fun today. Rock and roll.
Well, I'm in the number 6 car. I had a horrible qualifying run, smacked the wall, so I'm starting 10th in a field of 12. I just kind of jumped into this race cold, got about 25 laps in the car during practice. Not exactly 100% confident because I'm so used to the SK, but we'll see what happens here. I'll just try to stay out of everybody else's wrecks and move up through the field as it allows. Okay, here we go, green flag. This is the corner I usually just hammer it through in the SK. I kind of back off here in the Whelen Tour. Well, the first lap was clean. Ooh.
Outside.
That car gets loose and I take the position. All right, I'm in 9th.
15.759.
Ooh, I almost get the wall there. Compared to the SK, I feel like I'm tiptoeing around here on ice. As you know, I do kind of struggle in the Tour mod anyway, overall. The 10 car got high up there. I close in on him real quick. I'm a little squirrely off of the 5th corner. Caution's out. I am using a little brake in the last corner. And you know what, just for the heck of it, I'm going to come down and take 2 right side tires. I'm already near the back of the field.
Go.
Pit stop practice is always good.
Guys, let's make a reminder of PCQs here. Looks like you should be lining up behind us 11. Make sure you're dragging your brakes a little bit there, bud. Get the temp in them. Go line up behind the 10. Face cars out. Be ready.
Here's the restart.
Green flag.
Lap 13. Made another pass on that 9 car. I believe I'm in 7th right now. Yes, I am. 7th place.
15.195. Slow one in front of you. 14.961.
Another caution. Look out. Okay, he blinked out or punched out.
Get the better stay out here.
Okay.
Closed.
7th place. Nobody pitted, we just been in a few laps ago.
1 to go. Lining up on the inside, it looks like. 37.5.
Okay, this is interesting. 6th place car number 10 is refusing to go to his outside line and position. This guy's in my spot, plus he's hanging back. What the hell's going on? I give him a couple love taps to let him know that I'm not happy. This is a chicken shit move here. See, the 3 moved up. That's where the 10's supposed to be.
Green flag.
Well, you know what? See you later, asshole. That's just a plain, that's a bad move, man. 7 hangs on the inside. I'm up to 6th place, but I got past that 10. That's a chicken shit move.
15.586.
He wanted on the inside instead of the outside. I understand that. Everybody wants the inside. God, what an asshole. Yeah, he brushes the wall. Good for you. And you know what? After the race, I looked up his profile. He's been around on iRacing for 10 years. Supposedly, he raced once in the real life. I bet he was pretty bad there too. All right, 7 washes up high. I get underneath him. We tear off down the backstretch. Going into turns 4 and 5. I managed to hold him off. Okay.
Clear. 15.14.
All right, he's all over my back bumper, but right there, I kind of pull away. Down the front straight, he does the dive bomb, washes up, hits me, and puts me in the wall. This is gonna hurt.
Still there. And then lap car up there. Caution, caution.
That's the first time I've ever been upside down in the Whelen Tour Modified Series. Well, that pretty much ended my day there. I was in the pits for over 30 laps, and then I decided to go out and run the last 40 or so just to take the sting off of losing my SR from that rollover. It took a little off. I still lost some of the SR that I had. So anyway, that pretty much ended my race there. I did follow the 10 car. I watched it during the race, and once again on this next restart, I'm not going to show it to you, he was in the 4th position this time instead of the 6th position, and he lined up on the inside line or lane instead of in his outside position. He did it twice. That's a chicken shit move. All right, guys, well, sorry I didn't have time for a crank it up for you this time, but thanks for coming along for this very short ride, and we'll see you next time.